In this tutorial, I will show you how to speed up audio in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design in the top right corner. Next, select Video to open a new video project. After the video canvas opens, go to the Upload section on the left side and upload the audio file you want to use. Drag the audio file onto the timeline at the bottom of the editor. If your project also includes video or images, place them on the canvas and make sure the audio aligns with your content. Now select the video or page in the timeline. In Canva, adjusting the speed works through the video speed settings. Look for the playback speed option in the top toolbar. Increase the speed to options like 1.5x or 2x depending on how fast you want the audio to play. Because the audio is attached to the video, the sound will also play faster when the video speed increases. Preview your project to make sure the audio speed matches your needs. Finally, click Share and then Download and choose MP4 video to export your project with the faster audio.